Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most iconic burgers of all time. That's right, we're making the In-N-Out Double Double. Animal style.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
We're going to start by making our burger sauce. Let's do it. I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of relish. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. There it is. Half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Pew. Now we're going to mix it all together, obviously. Mix it all together. And that's what you're left with. Burger sauce. Hamburger! We're going to let this chill out in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to dice an onion. No more skin for you. Boop, 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 boop. Ooh, I'm okay. Don't worry, these tears have nothing to do with the onion. I just watched K-pop Demon Hunters. It moved me. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Whoop. Now we're going to caramelize these. I'm going to do a medium heat, about a tablespoon of neutral oil. Now our onions are going to go in. I'm also going to do a little pinch of salt. Pew. And now we mix it all up. Hamburger! Hamburger! This is one of the differences between a regular double-double and an animal-style double-double. A regular double-double uses a slice of grilled onion. Animal-style does caramelized onions instead. So when the onions start getting a little bit of color, we're going to add some water. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! We're going to cook these down until there's no more water, and then we're going to add another splash in there. There you go. Look at that. Already it's happening. Now that the liquid's cooked off, we're going to add another splash of water. This cooking method takes about 15 minutes. Normally caramelizing onions takes about an hour, but I don't have the storage space on my memory cards, so we're doing a shortcut. Deal with it. And after about 15 minutes, you're left with these beautiful caramelized onions. Next up, we're going to do 1 big tomato slice. Ooh. Double Double also has 4 slices of pickle. And don't worry, if you've got some extra pickle, you can just eat it. It's completely edible. And we're also going to do 1 leaf of iceberg lettuce. No prep needed. As far as the meat goes, we want 2 2-ounce patties. These are both 2 ounces. So we're just going to flatten these out. They're not quite smash burgers, but they're pretty close. You want to make these a bit wider than your burger buns, because once they start cooking, they're going to shrink a little bit. Like me in social situations. A little bit of salt and pepper on both sides. Boop, 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 boop. Hamburger! I'm going to start by toasting the bottom of my buns. Toast those big old buns. Sorry, there we go. A little toasty, a little toasty. That's how toasted I want it. Now we're going to put on our burgers. Yeah. Yeah. The second key element of animal style is we cook it with mustard. So on the raw side, we're just going to put down a bunch of mustard. Flip them. Come on. Woo! There we go. So now we're going to add on our slices of American cheese. That's hot. American cheese. Woo! And now we build our burger. Oh boy. Oh yeah. That is a tasty burger. That's how you make friends. Perfect burger for the perfect you. Bye, friends. Ooh. Hamburger!